Philippe and manager speak up against negative remarks on his personal styling. It looks like the negative comments against Philippe's styling, like this one, na ang sabi pa, pinagsisigawan ko sa buong mundo gaano ako ka-proud sa kanya. Pero lately, nakakapanghina lang paano mo ipakita sa mga bata yung ganyang hitsura niya. Nagpapacharity ako nationwide, proud bilang isang sisiw, pero kakawalang ganan na, has reached Philippe and his manager Ate Bea. And so, she posted this. I've read comments and messages about his personal styling, and I want to gently share and remind everyone that his self-expression is an important part of his artistry. As long as he's not harming anyone and is staying true to his values, he is perfectly fine. We hope we can all give him the space to grow and express himself authentically. Thank you so much for your support, understanding, and for always looking out for Philippe. You are such a meaningful part of his community, and we truly appreciate how invested you are in his journey. Philippe also posted on his IG story and said, I don't like your style, you're losing your identity. I think I'm perfect. Now, tandaan na iba-iba ang ating mga gusto sa lahat ng bagay. Pero ang pinaka-importante dito, wala tayong tinatapakang tao, wala tayong ginagawang masama. Philippe's fashion and personal styles are just part of his art. In fact, kahit gaano pa kaangas ang kanyang dating, you would never see him do bars, clubs, girls, alcohol, and substances. At hindi rin siya nai-issue sa mga ganyang bagay. Dito mo masasabi na his outfits and personal styles are just part of his self-expression and nothing more. Kaya sobra-sobra na ang i-judge ang kanyang pagkatao dahil dito. At mas lalo na ang ipangalandakan na kinahihiya ito. As fans, kilala na dapat sana natin si Philippe, kaya bakit aabot pa sa puntong i-judge ang buong pagkatao nito dahil lang sa outfits? Tandaan na kung ano ang uso and all the trends come and go. Kaya pa iba-iba talaga ang fashion styles ni Ken, lalo na't he's a fashion icon na mahilig mag-explore and try new styles. Napakababaw naman kung mamahalin natin sila, depende lang kung ano ang kanilang suot. And also, huwag kalimutan na marami ang disente ang suot, pero buwaya na pala ang nasa loob.